Okay, the third part of speech that we have is an adjective. Here we are talking about adjective, what is the meaning and what is the function of adjective in a sentence. For example, I have a friend, his name is Osama. And now here I just simply said that I have a friend and his name is Osama. So now Osama is a boy. Osama is a boy. This is a simple sentence, but if I want to put an adjective, so here then I would say that Osama is a handsome boy. Osama is a clever boy. Osama is a white boy. So here I'm just adding and annexing and I'm just putting adjective. Actually, adjective is a word that modifies, describes noun and pronoun. Here I would write the definition. Adjective is a word that modifies or describes noun and pronoun. For example, here Edward is a boy. So it is a simple sentence that Edward is a boy. But if I put here some, and keep in mind that adjective most of the time we put after or before noun. So smart, clever, educated, handsome, topper, dull, intelligent, white, black. Actually, I'm just putting quality to a noun. And whenever you are putting quality to a noun or pronoun, so they are known as adjectives. So here I have given some examples. These all are adjectives. You can see it here. There is already written on the board. So I hope you would have got idea about an adjective, but I would give you another example. And most of the, what do we say, numbers are known as adjective. For example, I have two friends. Look at here. I put noun, and before noun I just put a number. So before noun I put quality to it, numbers to it, so it became adjective. Most of the people they are confused. Actually, I would be talking also about types some other time, but I will give you some examples that date is a boy. So here date is demonstrative pronoun, but when I come to the date, boy is my friend. So now here date boy is adjective. Why? After date we have noun, and it is demonstrating this one boy. Got it? And this one is pronoun, demonstrative pronoun. So the confusion must be clear with these two circumstances, with these two examples that that could be used as adjective and as pronoun and as well as conjunction. So I hope you would have got about adjective. Now we will also talk about degree of adjective. So yes, let's start.